The ONBRILL 55-inch wine cabinet revolutionizes beverage entertainment through sophisticated farmhouse design combining wine storage, glass organization, liquor display, and decorative functionality. This impressive 55.1-inch width by 35.4-inch height configuration accommodates comprehensive wine collection while maintaining proportional aesthetic appeal. The modern farmhouse aesthetic with LED lighting creates sophisticated entertainment focal point, elevating home bar ambience through warm illumination. The comprehensive functionality encompasses wine rack organization, glass holder capability, wine bottle display, liquor storage, and coffee bar positioning. The walnut finish coordinate beautifully with contemporary and traditional interior design styles. A sturdy metal frame combined with high-quality manufactured wood construction provides exceptional durability supporting intensive use. The adjustable shelf positioning enables customization matching specific bottle collection requirements. The exceptional 9.4 out of 10 customer rating from 100 individual reviews demonstrates consistent satisfaction and reliable real-world performance. The outstanding value combining 55-inch capacity, sophisticated design, LED lighting, multifunctional organization, and professional construction establishes this cabinet as exceptional choice for wine enthusiasts.